And then you just want to lift. Right from the side, just
Yeah.
lift up.
Yeah.
And then you hold the top. If you don't hold it and turn, you can easily break the housing. So you want to go.
Hold it in counterclockwise.
You go from 3 to 9.
Okay, great. And that's it.
Is it?
You don't have to turn anything off or anything like that. How much water do you have to run through it after you change the filter?
It's recommended about 6 to 8 glasses of water.
I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you do, press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.